Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for permutation and combination. So kindly refers to the question, 6 yellow ball. So in here we have the keyword yellow balls are labeled with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So kindly name the situation. We have Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 and Y6. And we have 4 red ball labeled with P, Q, R and S. So red P, red Q, red R, and red S. So in total, we have 10 balls. All the 10 balls are similar size, so means that it's fair. In how many different ways can one arrange all the balls in a straight line, such that balls of the same color are next to each other? So kindly refers to the situation. They say same color. So we can divide into two groups. So let's say we have group 1 and 2. So let's say we have yellow and also the red. So means that we have two selection. So let's say we have two selection. In here, red group has been selected. So finally, we still have the yellow group. So in here, we have the situation. Next, focus on the red group at the beginning. So inside the red group, we have the situation 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can write the situation as 4 factorial because they can be arranged freely based on the situation. That's why we have 4 factorial. Next, focus on the yellow. So we have 6 balls. They also can be arranged freely, so means that they have 6 factorial. So rewrite the situation. So we have 2 factorial for the same color. Then inside the red color, we can rearrange. So we have 4 factorial, multiply for the yellow part, and we have 6 factorial. So by referring to the calculator, so what we can see, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. So that is the situation for these questions. B. Choose and arrange equal numbers of yellow and red ball in a straight line such that balls of the same color are next to each other. So we can have the situation, let's say we have 1 red and also 1 yellow. So from here we can say 4C1 multiplied with 6C1. So in total we have 2 balls in our hand. So we can rearrange the situation. We have 2 factorial. In here we have 45 situation. Next, let's say we have 2 red and 2 yellow. So we can have 4C2 multiplied with 6C2. So in here we have 2 groups, which is the yellow and also the red. So kindly rearrange, we have 2 factorial because of yellow and red. So in there we have to focus the yellow. So again, 2 factorial because the yellow can be arranged. Next, focus on the red in color. They can also be arranged freely. So we have 2 factorial. So by referring to the calculator, and we have 720. Continue. Next, we have 3 red and 3 yellow. So 4C3 multiply with 6C3. Again, multiply. We have 2 groups. So in here, let's say we have 2 groups, which is same color. So we have red and yellow. So we have 2 situation. Let's say yellow has been selected, so we still have red. That's why we have 1. That's why we have 2 factorial. Multiply. Let's say we focus on the yellow in color. So in the yellow part, we have 3 yellows, which consists of Y1 until Y6. Let's say we have Y1, Y2, and Y3. So here we have 3. Next, we have Y1 and Y2. Let's say we have 2. Finally, we have Y1. That's why we have 1. So in here, we can rewrite as a 3 factorial. Repeat this situation for the red in color. So again, we will have 3 factorial. So as a conclusion, we have 5760 for this part. Next, we have 4 red and 4 yellow. So in here, we can write 4C4 multiplied with 6C4. Again, we have 2 groups, which is red and yellow. So we can write 2 factorial. Then, kindly focus on the yellow. We have 4 yellow. So in here, we have Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 for an example. We have 4 selection. Let's say 4 has been selected, so we still have Y1, Y2, and Y3. So continue by 3, 2, and 1. So if we multiply, so we can rewrite as 4 factorial for the yellow in color. Same goes to the red in color, so we will have 4 factorial. By referring to the calculator, so we will have the situation 17280. So sum up or total the situation. So we will have 23808. So that is the situation for Choose and arrange the equal numbers of yellow and red ball in a straight line such that the balls of the same color are next to each other.